$2,001 bills, 2,000 chances at finding a rare bill worth a lot more than face value. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure and welcome back to the channel. We're going to keep this intro short. Periodically, I do $2,001 bill searches. I'm looking for collectible notes that have serial numbers that people pay more than face value for. We're looking for any star notes, hopefully some rare ones. We're looking for any web notes, any bar notes, any older bills, things like that, even printing errors. Now, if you're new to bill collecting, I have a ton of resourceful links listed down below in the video description. Feel free to check those out. Or if you want an easy resource, I have a collectible US paper notes mat. I'll have a link to that not only down below, but also right there. Now that we've covered that, let's get this hunt started. We have 20 straps, each containing 100 bills. I'm going to search them off camera, and of course, I'll have to write them first. And then if I have an amazing find, I'll bring it back. Otherwise, I'll give you guys strap recaps at the end of every strap. And then finally, at the very end of the video, all the star notes that we find will plug into the star note lookup site that's also down below in the description to see if we have any rare ones. Wish me luck. Let's get this 20 strap hunt on the road. Strap number 1 has been hunted. Just one find, but it is a star note, and I love finding star notes. We're looking for 1 star note per strap. Hopefully we can get to 20 for the 20 strap hunt. And as a quick reminder, we're plugging it in at the end of the hunt to see if it's rare. 1 strap down, 19 more to go. Come on, strap number 2. Unfortunately, strap number 2 did not give us any star notes or fancy serial numbers, but it did give me 2 series 1995 notes, a little bit older, and I always keep the ones prior to 1999. But you do want to check all of your series 88As, 93s, and 95s for what's known as a web note. I have information about web notes down below in the video description, but bottom line is you're looking for that printing plate number to be above 1 next to In God We Trust, not below it. And when I search the back of these, you can see both printing plate numbers are below. So these are not web notes, but I'll keep them as older notes. We'll retire them from service and move on to strap number 3. And hopefully we find some star notes. Strap number 3 did not give us any star notes, and it really gave us no finds, but it gave me an opportunity to show you guys what was almost a repeater note where the first 4 numbers repeat: 0128, 0228. Close call, kind of a nice note. Unfortunately, we're not going to keep it, and it's an older note, 2006. We'll put that one back. Moving on to strap number 4. Slow start to the hunt so far. Strap number 4 is another tough strap. No keeper notes yet again, so off to, like I said, a tough start, but figured I'd bring in on this bill. It's got 3 zeros, so it's kind of a lower serial number, but remember, low serial numbers need at least 4 zeros in the beginning, preferably 5, but at least 4. I just don't see a lot of 3-0 notes in circulation anymore, so I figured I'd bring it in for you guys just to remind you we want them to be lower than that. I see a lot of people selling these types of notes on eBay. They're not low unless they have 4 zeros. Keep that in mind. Speaking of low, that's what the fines are. Hopefully strap 5 can change that for us. Strap number 5 got us back on the board with our second star note, so we'll definitely take that. And we got another oldie and the oldest bill of the hunt, a series 88A. I went ahead and checked it though. It is not a web note, but still like seeing the older bills. 5 straps done, 2 star notes, 3 older bills, no fancies yet. Will strap number 6 give us one? Strap number 6 was our best star note strap, gave us 2 more, so now we have 4 through 6 straps. And then another close call for a repeater, 3015. 3065. Always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Strap number 7 coming up next. Strap number 7 gave us star note number 5 and a trinary note. Trinary means the serial number is made up of only 3 numbers. I don't normally keep them, especially in this condition, but this one's kind of fancy. It's got that 0 in the beginning that I've talked about before, and that's the only different digit, and then 4 7s and 3 1s. Wish it was 3 7s for lucky 7s, but I still think it's a nice enough note that I will keep it. It's somewhat fancy. I think it's worth a little bit more than face value, so we'll keep it. 7 straps down. Moving on to strap number 8 now. Strap number 8, no good goodies. Let's move on to strap number 9. Strap number 9 gave us star note number 6 And almost another repeater, 9155, 9159. Man, so close yet so far. Moving on to strap number 10. After this strap, we'll be halfway done with the hunt, and we'll do a quick recap before moving on to strap number 11. Strap number 10 only gave us one find. It's our 7th star note of the hunt. So after the midpoint, we're on pace for 14 star notes, a little light, but still decent. We have one fancy serial number and 3 older bills, all in the first few straps. Like I said, midpoint of the hunt. Hopefully the second 10 straps give us a few more finds, but we'll take whatever we can get. Strap number 11 kicked off the second set of 10 straps nicely with a couple of star notes, numbers 8 and 9. 9 star notes to 11 straps, making up some ground. Come on, strap 12. Strap number 12 did not give us any star notes, but it gave us a couple of notes to talk about. First and foremost, we have a trinary note that has bookends. Bookends meaning the front of the note and the back of the note have the same numbers, 318, 318, with a 38 in the middle. I don't keep bookend notes. They do fetch a little bit of money to some collectors. It's just not something that I collect at all. The second note is a flipper note of sorts. It's got 9s and 6s, which is what you want in a flipper note, meaning that I can flip it upside down and still read the serial number 90990060. And if I flip it this way, 09006606. Don't love it that it has zeros. You want a true flipper note to be just 9s and 6s, but it is somewhat fancy. I'll hold on to it. These do fetch a premium. We'll see if it's something I sell down the road. 2 fancy serial numbers. Still stuck on 9 star notes now. After that, strap gave us none. Let's see what strap number 13 does for us. Well, strap number 13 was a great strap for finds. Not for star notes, but take a look at these bills. We have a 1977 Blumenthal note in fantastic shape, ending in 81. Then we have 3 in a row, 83, 84, and 85. 3 consecutive, crisp, uncirculated 1977 notes. Can't get mad at that. Then it jumps forward to 99, and I'm hoping we have more in the rest of the straps to put a nice run together, I should say. And then finally, I only kept it because it's another close call, almost a super repeater. Super repeater is when the first 2 numbers repeat 4 times. 67, 16, 67, 67. So close, yet so far. But these bills being old and beautiful, I'll definitely take those and rescue them. Like I said, hopefully we find more in the rest of the straps. Let's see if we do, and we could use some star notes. Strap number 14, another good strap. We did get 2 more of the 77 Blumenthal notes, 90 and 91. I'll take those for sure. We'll add them with the other 5 we've grabbed so far. We also got our star note. That makes 10 finally, 10 star notes in 14 straps. We also got a mixed ladder. If you look at the digits, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. They're all mixed up, but it's one of each number. People do collect them, especially in nice condition like that one is. And then finally, our first birthday note, June 1st, 1990. Can't get mad at that, 06011990. So we'll add that to the fancies. We'll add that to the fancies, that to the star notes, and we're up to 7 of those 77s. Hopefully there's more in strap 15. Let's find out. Strap number 15, no 1977 notes, just star note number 11. Let's see if we can find some more in strap 16. Strap 16 just gave us star note number 12. We'll take it. 12 star notes, 16 straps deep. Let's move on to strap number 17. Strap number 17. 2 more star notes, numbers 13 and 14, so the star notes are making a comeback. We have 3 straps left. Let's see what's in strap number 18 now. Strap number 18, no fancies, but 2 more star notes makes 16. We need 4 star notes in the last 2 straps, and of course, any fancy or old bills we can find. Strap number 19 only gave us 1 find, and it was star note number 17. So we're going to need some help in this final strap if we're going to make it to 20. But been a great hunt so far. Lots of stuff on the board. One last chance to adding stuff to the board. Well, we almost did it. The last strap gave us 2 more star notes for 19 star notes. Holy cow, one off what I wanted, but still pretty good. And you know what? This bank has actually performed really well for me despite the number of times I've hunted it with star notes, because all of this money is from a laundromat, and I always drop off or pick up when they drop off their deposit the same day on purpose so I can buy the bills from them. They're happy to give them to me, and I know they're not searched. Either way, 19 star notes, 4 fancy serial numbers. We had that trinary with the 4 sevens and the 3 1s. We had the flipper note. We also had the broken or mixed ladder note, as well as the birthday note. We had 7 of those 1977 Blumenthal notes. I think 3 are consecutive. And then we had 3 other oldies. So nothing truly fancy, but still a fun hunt regardless, with lots of finds. Now we got to plug in all the star notes into the star note lookup site, see if I have any rare ones, and I'll bring you back with what I found out about those, as well as some final thoughts on this $2001 bill search. All right, we have finished plugging all the star notes into the star note lookup site, and unfortunately, none of these are rare. All of them have either a high print run and or a high print total. So no rare ones here, and circulated star notes like this are probably a couple of bucks each to the right person. So we'll hold on to those because I do make packs of those and sell them. We did get the 4 fancies. We did get the 3 older notes, and I went ahead and put all of these notes in Bill Portectors because they're in such nice condition that there's no way I'd want them to be subjected to any damage further, because even though they were circulated a little bit, they almost look uncirculated. Not that I'd get them graded, but they're so nice that, like I said, I just want to protect them. If you guys want a bill protector company or a bill protector for your bills, I have those links down below in the video description. Feel free to check them out. Not a sponsor, just wanted you to know where to get them because I get asked where I get mine all the time. All right, I think that's going to do it. What a fun hunt. 19 star notes, lots of oldies, some crisp oldies, and some fancies. Can't get mad at that. If you guys enjoyed this $2001 bill search with me today, you know I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.